Start the assembly of the E-liter bucket weighing head load-cell module. Below are the parts for the load-cell module. First, attach the load cell and the load cell upper connector with screws. But do not tighten the screws yet. Pay attention to the load cell's orientation. The arrow on the load cell should point downward. Then align the lower end of the load cell lower connector in the direction of the arrow. Fasten the screws, check the alignment between components, and then tighten the screws. Secure the position with screws first. But do not tighten them yet. Use a 0.35 to 0.5 mm thickness gauge or stainless steel plate, and place it in the gap between the protection plate and the connector. Adjust the protection plate until it touches the gauge. Then tighten the screws on the protection plate. Take out the gauge. Finish.